So apparently this man says that black women who wear wigs and makeup look like clowns, right? And before we even get into this, I am going to recreate Rihanna soft glam makeup because I need to play what this man said because this conversation is much bigger than one opinion. Let you guys listen to it.
We don't like the hair weave. We don't like the eyelashes, the fake eyelashes. We don't like all the makeup, right? That's making them look like and Transformers. It seems like the more and more they wear it, it seems like they are either deaf to what we're saying, or they don't want to hear what we're saying, or they just want to be opposite of us.
Pause that for a minute because I had to get my composure. Sir, what do you mean we want to be yammies and Transformers? No. Now, I understand some women do wear a lot of makeup or longer lashes, but that's not everybody. And women, we like to look different. Because first y'all talk about us, that's one. Y'all say, oh, we ugly, we look like you, y'all don't want to date us because y'all ashamed of us, blase. Then when we do want to wear wigs because y'all don't want to pay for it, and she's doing too much, she's wearing too much makeup, she's wearing these wigs, she don't need to wear wigs.
Badly that they continue to do the things that we tell them that we don't like.
Listening to this man, I'm sure every woman out there was probably all thinking the same thing.
I'm here to tell you right now.
Exactly, because let me tell you this. A man gonna do what he want to do, right? He's wearing these locks. Most men, they going wearing these locks, right? Some of them don't look good with. And trust and believe, I understand, but at the same time, y'all complain about so much.
Tell you right now, we don't care.
You got dangerously close to it, but still didn't get it. Sir, you keep saying we don't hear you, we don't care. It's because we don't. The kind of women that you're describing are high maintenance women. The kind of women that invest hundreds, if not thousands of dollars into her look, into her hair, her makeup, her nails, all of that. She's investing in herself, and she probably wants a man who will do the same. You're not even willing to put some chapstick on for a video. You are in no position to be telling.
I'm sorry. Women look, at least we're investing into ourselves. Y'all don't care. Y'all, like she said, lips be ashy, hands be ashy, feet be ashy. I'm not trying to look good for a man. And I get targeted too on my live. People harass me. You need to stop wearing so much makeup. Oh, you look I know I am a natural being, yes. But I tell people, I'm going in the workplace and people tell me, my girlfriend, she don't wear makeup. That's her. Stop comparing me. I'm not that person. And I'm not being rude. I'm not being mean. I'm doing me. I am only one modest by Celeste. I'm going to do me. If you don't like it, then bye. I'm not doing it for you. So please don't try to tempt me or make me feel bad that, she's wearing too much makeup. Or you look. I just tell people thank you. But you're not going to make me feel bad of who I am and what I'm doing. I'm doing what I love. I love doing makeup because it's something that I learned on my own. I didn't have nobody do my makeup for me. Probably for a 12th grade prom, and that was it. But I had to do it on my own. I learned to do my own eyebrows. I learned how to do lashes. Come on. People are not going to make me feel bad because I am taking self-care and self-pride.
About how we should be, how we should look, how we should dress. Everything that we do as women is not for the male gaze. There is no shortage of women out here who are natural, who don't wear makeup, who don't wear weaves, lashes, nails, none of that stuff. Why don't you find one of them? But no, you'd rather find a woman who's all dolled up and tell her to take it all off for you. The kind of women that invest like that into her appearance is probably not checking for him anyway. I'm not trying to say that to be rude, but it's the truth. Mm-hmm. It's like the same men who cry about women being gold diggers, but you have no gold to dig. These are not your problems. The kind of baddies that you're describing, the kind of women that put that kind of effort into their look, are not looking for a man who won't even put lotion on his knuckles.
Thank you.
We don't like the hair weave.
Thank you. Because I don't like that either. And I don't like men that smoke. When men trying to clown us, and my ladies, I'm standing by us. You wear makeup for you. You wear wigs. And the thing is that what makes me upset, because I hear it all the time, people have cancer. People have alopecia because they on some type of medication to cure what's going on with their bodies. You know what I'm saying? That's really serious, because a woman want to feel beautiful, because as women that go through those stages in life, they already sad because they lost their hair, and their hair was a part of their life.
Shit us men don't like. That shit that will get you ghosted. That shit that y'all say, I don't look that much different, when we know damn well you do. We don't judge by the face that you make up. We judge by this face right here. The one that we gonna see in the morning. We ain't judging you by your fake pretty face. See, that's fake pretty. She spotted 3 or 4. Maybe
Fake pretty face. Let me tell you this. The picture I saw, the woman, right? Beautiful, natural. And then her glamour look, yeah, she got mostly the smoky eye and just the lashes, right? What's the big deal? Yes, she have a contour, but she's still beautiful as natural. She's not ugly. So what is the big issue? Why are y'all complaining about this? She's naturally beautiful, and she look more gorgeous when she have makeup on. Both ways, she's beautiful. So what is the issue?
face. See, that's fake pretty. She spotted 3 or 4, maybe a 5. Now, see that internet weirdo shit that I be talking about. Now, while I do agree, dudes ain't checking for all of that makeup and all of that contouring, but you cats have gotten so used to the European look and judging them a certain way that they think they gotta do all of that crap. But for you to sit there and say that she's a 3 or a 4, bro, you're bugging.
Exactly.
Saying that about her natural face is the reason why they do all of that. See?
Is he wrong? I'll say no. He's not wrong, because as y'all know, we have these singers, R&B singers, right? They don't like black women. They do not. They married to women that are European look, good grade of hair, and it do hurt black women. I'm not gonna be lying to you, but it hurt, because you be wondering like, dang, am I that ugly? You don't see me. That's why a lot of your favorite celebrities too, their skin is lighter. They wear a lot of contour. And then y'all probably say, well, you wearing a lot of blush. Well, this is the trend, but I'm doing Rihanna. But anyway, but that's how women see. They see themselves less than. But they also want to look good, because it's like, well, black women, we can look good too. So, and then I was like, the guy too, why are you rating her a 3 or 5? That woman is a 10 to me. Somebody that can look good, real natural like that, don't have spots, don't have bumps, that's amazing. Skin smooth. But that's what I said. But then y'all go after these women that are European and they look a hot mess. But a black woman, oh, she ugly, she a man. But y'all don't say about these women who are European looking, they look more manly. I'm saying, don't do that. I hope this, ladies, I don't know what's wrong with these black men. I don't know why they don't see us as equal, or they just hate us so much that they call us clowns. They call us all kind of names. But I'm going to say this, we look good. And I do understand the points of not wearing too much makeup, things of that nature. But at the same time, they have made it like that. Because Europeans, they do wear a lot of contour. They have their lips big. They getting their chest done. They getting their butt done like black women. So what is the issue? But you rating that woman a 3 or a 5? Come on, sir. That wasn't right at all. But I hope that you guys did enjoy. Tell me, would you wear makeup? Would you wear weave? Would you buy you a wig? And despite of your boyfriend and husband, would you wear makeup? Or will you wear wigs or weave? Will you treat yourself right? Because it's all about you, not them. But I hope you guys did enjoy. Once again, I am a victim of that, and I go by my way. I have to do what's best for me, love me, and honor who I am, not no one else. And it's just stand up for yourself. Don't try to do things for a man. Do things for you that you like. So I hope you guys did enjoy. And if you guys want to see another part of this, please hype this video up. And thank you guys so much. And did I nail my makeup like Miss Rihanna? I think I did just a little bit. She's a little lighter than me, but hey, this is mostly a melanin skin friendly. So I hope you guys did enjoy. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video on Womanhood Wednesday.